Hensley, stop moaning.
I wonder why he does that. I wonder what's the difference between sort of, like there's different tones of moaning in there.
I don't know. Wish we could talk to him. Hey, Hensley, wish we could talk to you. Yeah.
Well, it is a frustration of not being able to. Ainsley, quiet, good boy. Good boy. Smile, you're on camera. Don't yawn, go.
Is that what he's doing? Yawning?
Yeah.
Shocking. Oh, you grumpy.
What is the moaning for? I want to know what this moaning is, Hensley. I want to know the difference between a barking and a crying and these.
Like you're just whinging like a little kid. You just got to try and get the last bit though, isn't he? Just like a teenager, aren't you? Aren't you, Hensley?